Yellow diamonds in the light.
Today we brought our 16-year-old cat to the vet for her checkup. Back in 2024, she was diagnosed with kidney problems and fluid in her lungs. So since then, she's needed follow-up every 6 months to a year. She's been on a renal diet for almost 2 years.
Come here.
Maybe she's already bored inside the cage, the stroller, but I opened it on the top so she can see what's happening on her surroundings. I need to close it again because there's a lot of 3 big dogs around and she might be afraid. Now it's her time to check in. She's always scared inside this clinic. She lost quite a bit of weight from 22 pounds to 18 and then 15 pounds and now 13 pounds. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or something to worry about.
Why using everybody?
Now she have to do her blood works. It might be uncomfortable for her, but she doesn't want it.
Don't scratch
Blood work is done and I know it's comfortable, but we want to make sure that she's okay. This is her x-ray result. We also compare her old and recent x-rays, and thankfully her lungs and heart look clear, no more fluid on it, so she might be free from renal diet. And she can eat a metabolic diet or any kinds of diet now. Now it's ready to go home. Next step is we will schedule for an ultrasound for her heart soon. Our bill is $445 and now we're ready to go home. Thanks for watching.